it's a great pleasure for us to welcome you at La Gare tonight. Today is a very special day. Indeed, it's March 8th, International Women's Day, and also the 8th demo of Le Wagon Montréal. So I'd like first to thank a lot La Gare for hosting us tonight and throughout the 9 weeks and the year, actually. So a little word about Le Wagon, who we are. Le Wagon is, our mission is to bridge the gap between business, creativity, and technology by bringing technical skills to creative people who want to upskill their profile, to entrepreneurs who want to build their startup, their product, to people who want to change careers, or to interesting, great people who want to tackle new jobs, interesting jobs in the tech industry. So for that, we built this 2-month program where we teach not only the coding skills, so all the programming basics, software architecture, databases, front end, but also the soft skills needed to build great products in a more efficient way and more effective way. So working as a team, for example. So Le Wagon is originally from Paris, and now we are in 33 cities around the world, in 21 countries, so it's an amazing community. We are actually more than 4,200 alumni throughout the world, and today we actually welcome 175 new alumni around the world, including these 17 students that you can applaud, actually. A few words about them. So they come from various backgrounds. We have in the team photographers, graphic designers, we have product and project managers, we have financial specialists, we have entrepreneurs, we have an architect, we have a musician, an AI engineer as well. So you can see that it's very, very diverse, and they also come from 6 different countries. So it's great to have this diversity at Le Wagon, and we are really proud of this diversity. But they all come from these various backgrounds, but they all share the same goal, which is learn to code to change their life. And this is what Le Wagon is about. So a little word to them. I was really impressed by you. You really inspired me every day. You impressed me of your dedication, the perseverance you had throughout these 9 weeks, your commitment, the way you collaborate all together and to be better, to go further along the way. And also, I was really inspired by the friendships you all made all together, and it's really, I was really impressed by all this. So I'd like to give a huge round of applause for these 17 amazing people. And they will pitch the result of their 9-week hard work. And I'm now pleased to welcome Aline, the great Aline, our community lead, and she will introduce the groups.
So are you all excited? The groups now are ready to present their products. They did it the last 10 days of the bootcamp, and it's very impressive for everyone here who does not know how to code, never did it before. It's very impressive what they did in only 10 days. So this last 10 days of the bootcamp, they were in teams, and they did it all from scratch. So they had the idea, they prototyped it, they designed it, they coded, and they prepared their pitch. That are going to do, they are going to do this now. So congratulations, guys. We are really impressed. It was amazing. And without further ado, I will invite the first group, Asyla, a task management tool to help communications between refugees and case managers. It was built by Katie Taylor, Emily Morissette, Richard Jerram, and Jamie Weber. So welcome, guys. Let's start with the first product.
Just like to say, whoever went to the toilet before me left a potent smell. I hope that wasn't recorded. take it away.
Hi everyone, my name is Emily. I'm working as a case manager for a refugee resettlement agency. Tonight I want to tell you the story of Fuzia. Fuzia recently lost her right to work because basically her case manager just forgot to schedule an appointment for her. And because of that, of course, she missed the appointment, and from there she couldn't make it. So because of that, she had to ask her daughter to drop out of school and go working so that she could contribute to the family income. That's the kind of very horrible story, and I don't want to make it I don't want it to happen again. So this is just one example that is showing that there's a huge communication gap between agencies and clients. And Asyla is a platform that I really like to use. It's a task management tool that really allows me to better communicate with my clients, as well as making my work more efficient at the end. So let me show you how it works. So we're Friday morning, I'm going to work, I'm looking at my desktop, I have a full of paper forms there, a lot of folder, and usually, so I got a call from one of my clients named Tirej, and he asking me to reschedule an appointment for him. And usually the way I do it is that I'm searching for different folder and documentation so that I'm able to do it. So now with Asyla, it's really, really more efficient because at the end, I just have to look to one calendar view, which helped me to see all the different clients I have and as well as the different appointments. So let's go on today's date, since that was the appointment scheduled for Tirej. And let's make it scheduled for the Monday 11th. So I'm just going to go through the different appointments, going to the Social Security appointment, and then make it for the 11th. Perfect. So from there, I mean, he's going to be able to see the information that is updated on his smartphone.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Teresh. I'm a refugee, and I'm also a client of Emily's. Now, as I check, I want to log into my app. I see I've got a new appointment. Now, this is something that Emily herself and myself talked about. And obviously, my computer, my iPhone is broken right now, and which happens a lot because I'm on a really bad service provider.
Yeah, that would do it. Content incognito. That worked last time. Do the Ashley Simpson jig, run off the stage.
Okay, so you have to sign out as someone else. Yeah.
And then you have to
It's
log in as F.
T.
This worked perfectly half an hour ago, I swear.
So I often experience technical issues on my app as part of the debugging process. Anyway, so I've received a new appointment from Emily, my case manager, and I would like to know exactly what I need to bring to this appointment. So as I check my app, I see I need to bring 2 documents. Now, I'm not very conversant with legalese, so it's nice to see the images themselves so I can actually have a graphical representation of the documents I need to bring. I'm new to the city too, so I'd like to see a map of the location of the appointment so I can plan in advance where I need to go. Okay, so it's Rue Jolet. It's pretty close. It's good to know. I have what I need to bring. I know where I need to go. And so I'm going to let Emily know that I will be attending this meeting. So I'm going to send her a notification through the app. She's a busy person. She doesn't always answer the phone when she needs to. So I'm going to send a notification through Asyla. Now, Asyla helps me track my goals. I see that by attending the Social Security appointment, that I'm one step closer towards achieving my employment migration goals. I can also see that I have some more steps that need to be taken for my legal and medical goals. And this gives me confidence that I'm actually not lost in the process, that I have an underlying narrative and structure to my life, which is important for someone in my position because I'm in a new country and I'm alien to the new laws and customs. And so it's one less thing to worry about. I can look at my calendar and I can see that all the upcoming appointments for the next month. So if I want to forward a plan, I have everything there for me. So it either gives me confidence in my life and more control, that I'm not going to miss an appointment or lose a document that could have quite dire consequences for myself.
Oh, I just got a notification. Oh, that's perfect. It's actually Tirej that just confirmed his appointment. So now Asyla helped me to save more time and really focus on what I care the most, my clients. Thank you.
Awesome. Great app with social impact. Really nice. So our next app is Hikeaway, an app to help you find the perfect mountain trail. It was built by 3 women, Daniela Amiot, Daniela Depas, and Gracie Sodran.
Hello everyone, my name is Claire and I literally just got back from this the most amazing hike in Mont Tremblant. And you know, it just felt really good to be out of the city and just surrounded by nature, and I think you guys should really try it sometimes. And you know what, I actually found this hike thanks to this new app called Hikeaway. The reason why I use this app is because it helps me filter the hikes depending on my level and depending on the distance. So it made my life really easy, and so easy that I'm ready to go hiking again this weekend. So yeah, so let's see what Hikeaway has to offer for me this time. But first, let me just leave a review of the hike that I just got back from, because I thought it was amazing, and I think I should let everyone know. Is it not working? Yeah, so the hike was amazing. I really loved it. I think I should let everyone know that this particular hike is definitely worth trying. Yeah, so it was amazing, and I'll definitely leave a 5-star. And since I'm already here, I took this amazing picture from my friend, and I think it would be really nice to share it with the people from the app. Yeah, this is my friend, great hike, yay. All right, so I think I'm good to find a new hike for this weekend now. So, yeah, so let me first enter my location. And I think I'm done with easy hikes this time. I'm trying to go on something more challenging this time, so let's try something intermediate. And let's go on a road trip. Let's go far away. So 250 kilometers away from here sounds amazing for me. So let's see what hike I can pick from. So Calvaire d'Oka, no, I'm not sure about this one. This one neither, I don't know. I'm not sure about it. Sentier de l'Éperon, it's 2 hours, no, I don't know. Yeah, this one looks cool, but let me check the other one. Yeah, La Chouenne seems pretty cool. All right, so La Chouenne, it's in Mont-Harford National Park. It's intermediate. It's 2 hours, 4.8 kilometers. That sounds amazing. The reviews are good, but you know what? Let me just check the first one. Let me put this one in my favorite and then go back. Yeah. So this one, yeah. This one seemed pretty cool. All right, so it's in Jacques-Cartier National Park. It's amazing. Okay, but okay, no, the reviews are really bad. Everyone say it's dangerous. I'm not trying to break a leg this weekend, so no. I'm not gonna pick this one. So let's just go back with the first one. Yeah, so it seems like I found the perfect mountain, the perfect hike. Since it's a longer hike, I'm gonna make sure I have everything I need to bring for the hike. So okay, I got my shoes, I got water. I'm definitely gonna bring my camera, sunscreen, and yeah, it seems like I got everything I need for the hike. So thanks to Hikeaway, I'm not gonna end up breaking my leg this weekend, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have fun during this hike.
Everyone's so excited, waiting for the summer to use this app. Pretty cool. So our third app will be influencer.io. It helps you get the right content from the right influencer. It was built by Maxime Lagrelle, Gary Franks, and Edouard Capel. I invite them all here.
All right, so hi everyone. I'm Jim, and I'm currently working as a product manager. And over the time working as product manager, if there is one thing that I learned is that to be a great manager, product manager, I always have to be really up to date with the really best growth strategy content. However, my problem right now is that I'm spending so much time curating content, and most of the time I'm really getting into clickbait article, and it's really disappointed, and all of this experience really frustrates me. So, however, there's one thing that I'm sure is that every time I have content from what I consider as my really top tech influencers, I'm never disappointed. I can trust them. I know that if they recommend me to read something, it's gonna be good. So that's the good thing. So I'm already using, I'm a big user of Twitter. The only problem with Twitter, it's kind of really noisy for me because I'm already following a lot of influencers, and at some point it's too noisy and I can't extract the quality of the content. So what happened is actually yesterday I shared this pain with one of my coworkers, and he's the one who recommended me to go and check out influencer.io. So let's do it. So my name is Jim, and as I was saying, I'm really interested in the growth strategy topic. All right, sweet. So they recommend me 3 influencers, so Mark Andreessen, Paul Graham, and Connie Chan. I'm actually already a big fan of them. I'm following them on Twitter. But the good thing is, through influencer.io, I will see by following them, I will see all their activity. So that's already a pretty good thing for me. So just let's sign up. So I'm Jim at mail.com. Just with the capital letter, I think. Okay, that's cool. So it's working. So that's perfect. I'm curated content, only high quality, and about growth strategy. Perfect, that's for me. And that's the good thing. It seems like they customize also my experience. So I will always see on top the really must-read articles or any piece of content. Cool, so let's begin. Well, so what it seems like, okay, that's my news feed on top. So I see Mark Andreessen, Connie Chan, and also Paul Graham. So it's perfect, the 3 I'm already following. And I can filter, I can see every piece of content, if it's a podcast, if it's a video, an article. I actually already heard about Do Things That Don't Scale from Paul Graham, and I really want to see it, read it. The good thing actually about this article is it outlines how important it is for early stage startup to do things that don't scale, to provide the best user experience before even thinking about scaling. So that's a really good read. Let's mark it as read. Now I'm just gonna check my influencers list. Cool, so on the top I can see that my 3 influencers that I'm already following, Mark Andreessen, Paul Graham, Steele, and Connie Chan. The good thing is through their own profile page, I can filter by the different type of content that they have. And also I can have additional resources like their Twitter account, their blog, I can easily go. And okay, the app is also recommending to me the top influencers, it seems like, that I should also follow. Actually, I also know Andrew Chen. He used to work at Uber. He's really an interesting guy. So just let's follow him and let's see what influencer.io will recommend me to check out. So I see here some videos and podcasts. That seem pretty interesting. The only thing is I got a meeting right now, so I have to rush a bit. But the good thing is while I be commuting, I can definitely go on my app and just listen to a podcast. So let's check the podcast from Andrew Chen that I saw earlier. Okay, that's perfect. That's
Hi, everyone. Welcome to the A6&C podcast. Today, we're bringing you one of our internal hallway-style conversations about some of the things...
Cool. That was a great one. So with influencer.io now, I will never miss out of the top activity from my very top influencer, and also I'll never have to spend time curating by myself the content. Thanks very much.
Awesome. Will you use it? Yes. So our next app is Club XP, an app to find the best club experience based on what's happening live. It was built by Noah Hyacinthe, Patrice Géodon and Zachary Hughes. So come up.
Well, hello everyone. My name is Ryan. I'm a 23-year-old college student. And right now we are currently on spring break. And as you all know, what we do on spring break, kids our age, we like to party. That's what I'm talking about. We like to have fun. But one thing about it is, just a few days ago, right, a friend of mine convinced me to go out with him, only to find out the moment I walked inside the club, there was only like 10 people in there. It was like me, my friends, and the sound guys. And it was absolutely a terrible experience. The music was bad. It was really not the type of ambiance that I was looking for. And unfortunately, it was just a waste of money. But fortunately for me, I ran across some friends of mine that I have at Le Wagon, and they spoke to me about this awesome app that's called Club XP, and it was actually what I was looking for, because with using that app, I can see what's going on inside of the club before even leaving my house. Like, I could actually see what type of music they're playing, and I could actually experience it. So you know what? I'm gonna give him a chance. Although I'm a little skeptical, because I don't want to waste my money. So let's see what this app has for me right now. Okay, I live in Montreal. Awesome. Okay, let's see here. And okay, all the clubs that are in Montreal comes back. That's okay. That's cool. That's dope. Club Le Wagon. I didn't know they have a club. Let's see what's going on in there. Let's check that out. Oh, okay, I see. Okay, a lot of comments going on there. That means there's actually a lot of activity going on inside. We see comments from Stefan. Is that you right there? Okay, we have Timothy. We have MG. Okay, it's really live in here. Let's check the streams out. I want to see what's going on in there. Okay, live stream. Oh, we have videos. Let's see live stream. What? Is that a demo day? They have a demo day right now. What? That is cool. That is so cool. But you know what? I might not like the music too much. Let's see what type of music they have in there. Let's check the details. R&B. Am I in the mood for R&B? No, I think I want to get sweaty tonight. I want something more hip. So although I like Le Wagon, I'm gonna go ahead and like them because I may come back. Who knows? You know. Okay. So, but that's not my vibe right now. I'm really trying to get sweaty. So let's check out the other clubs they have in the city. Okay. But okay. Cool. Le Salon. Actually, let's see if we could get something that's closer to us. Okay, because it just brought back all the clubs in Montreal. All right, that's okay. Le Salon seems pretty good. Four Flames, yeah, that's kind of toasty, kind of hot. That's the vibe that I'm looking for. Okay, cool. Exactly what I thought. They got all the messages in there. My type of people. Okay, and it's only about an hour ago. That means this is going on right now. Okay, let's check the stream. Actually, let's check the map. You know, we want to see what's in the area. Oh, Allo Mon Coco, good. That's a good, because when I leave the club, I may be hungry. So now, we always hungry after drinking and having fun, so that's definitely a plus. Club, okay, looks good. Let's check out the type of, let's check out the videos, the streams in there, see if we could. Whoa, okay, yes. Now I actually know what's gonna happen inside right now. And it was only an hour ago, that means, okay, it's only 11, okay, cool, I have enough time. So, as a matter of fact, music. Music is very important. I don't want to go in this terrible music, so let's check the music out. Hip hop, exactly. That's what I want. Okay, I could get sweaty with that. Okay, cool. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and check out here, and okay, a little credit card, cool, pay. But you know what? Let's check out. So admissions, okay, it must be 21. Okay, cool. Let's check out the services. They may provide some services in there. Okay, cool. Oh, VIP tables. Yeah, okay, I might be interested in having some VIP tables. And we have bottle service by Kanga. That's cool. We need that. We definitely need that. Cool. All right, I think this is a club for me. Perfect. The atmosphere is good. The people is good. Okay, let's check out the admissions. All right, to admit, I might go with one of my buddies today. So yeah, we'll go for 2. All right, $15 is cool. I could afford it. Although I'm broke, I'm in college. Okay, cool. We'll pay now on my credit card number. I think it was 424242, 424242, 4242. Okay, cool. That's my number. See, you got to remember things like that. Awesome. All right, and just like that, I receive a QR code, and with that, it gives me the date, and I could skip the line with this because I already paid. I could go straight to the front and enter, no lineup. We hate that. Cool. Let's check out our profile to see what's in there. Okay. Oh, Le Wagon. Yeah, I did choose that as a favorite. Cool. Yeah. Okay. QR wallet. What's that? QR. Oh, all my receipts from clubs that I go to. So that means I could keep a budget too. I'll know every club that I've been at, and I'll know not to spend too much money. I'm already broke, like I said. But so that's cool. And just like that, using Club XP, I gotta check out Le Wagon. Definitely still on my mind. Using Club XP, I was able to find the exact club I wanted to with the right music, the right type of vibe, and closest to me is always good. I'm broke. I said that like 3 times. Thank you.
Really cool. So, as this batch really likes to party, there are 2 apps for party. Our next app actually is the last, is Kanga, an app to order and pay for drinks from your phone at events and festivals. So please welcome the team, Rachel Jones Gatineau, Peter Giancal, Jerome Coston, and Frederick Charette.
Thank you everybody for being here. So my name is Jeff. To tell you a bit about myself, I'm the kind of person that likes to go to events like Igloo Fest, Jazz Fest, and Picnic Électronique. And if you've ever been to these kinds of events, you know how hard it is to get a drink at the bar. So for example, last night I was at Jazz Fest, waiting in line for 10 minutes to get to the bar. When I finally got there, the bartender was distracted, the music was loud, it was very hard to get his attention. So when he finally noticed me, I yelled, "Can I get a Bex?" And he heard X, so he gave me a Molson X. Now, I was just eager to go back to my party, go back to my scene. And people behind me were getting impatient. I didn't want to start thinking tips, stacks, and all that. I gave him $20, and I left. Now, when I finally got back to my friends, I had missed half the show. So I was telling my friend Martin about this, and he suggested using an app called Kanga. Kanga allows you to order and pay for your drinks online, and you get a notification once your drink is ready. So let's try that tonight. Right. Let's log in. Right, we have a bit more elaborate email here. It's not just mail.com. Some effort went into this. No, okay. Yeah, so that's it's my password. Normally I don't share it, but just for tonight, you guys get to see it. And it's kanga.live. Oh. And we're in. Perfect. All right, so I can see Igloo Fest, Jazz Fest, and Le Wagon. Now, Igloo Fest, I was there last year. It was a disaster. But Le Wagon, I've heard these parties are wild, so maybe after Jazz Fest, we'll see. But let's go to Jazz Fest first. All right, so I can already see there's 15-minute wait time. During that time, I can be with my friends. I know when my order is going to be ready, so I can manage my time. But it says bar Budweiser. I was at a different bar last night. So let's take a look at the map. All right, cool. So I'm the kangaroo, and the closest bar is the red dot, and it's even a closer bar than where I went yesterday. I didn't even know there was a closer bar. So that's good. I think I'm ready to order. I really wanted my Bex yesterday and didn't get to get it, so I'm gonna order another Beck for now. And for Martin over there, he's falling asleep. I don't know if you guys know Martin, but that guy can fall asleep anywhere, so I think I'm gonna get him a punch in the face. That should maybe wake him up. That's good. All right, so what else do they have? Okay, so I can see popular drinks, cocktails, shots, beer. I don't know, I'm feeling shots. Let's go for shots, yeah? 1 tequila for me. And I'm sure Martin would appreciate 1 vodka. And what about you guys? You guys want shots? You want a shot? Rum. So let's get 1 rum for the lady in the back. All right, then we're good to go. Perfect, so I can see my order, I can see my drinks. It's perfect. That's my credit card. But you know what? I think I'm going to take 1 more tequila shot. I heard good things come in pairs. So let's go with that. And maybe 20% tip this time. I'm sure they're going to get my order right, so let's go with that. Perfect. All right, so 21 minutes until my order is done. During that time, I'm not wasting my time. I'm at my event, watching my band with my friends. I can see which bar to go to. There's the barcode I can use, the QR code I can use once I get to the bar to get my order. And at this point, I don't need my wallet. I don't need to wait. I'm enjoying the show with my friends, and Kanga will just notify me once my order is ready. And look at that, I just got a notification. My order is almost ready. I'm gonna head to the bar and get my drinks. Thank you so much.
Great. Well done, everyone. This was already the last speech. I hope you all enjoy it. And they worked really hard for that, so they deserve a huge round of applause right now. On a aussi le plaisir de vous annoncer aujourd'hui et ce soir les partenariats avec la Caisse des Jardins de Technologie de l'Information. Et j'ai le plaisir de vous présenter Dorine Bourg. Dorine, elle est... C'est une brève présentation. Dorine est présidente du conseil d'administration de la Caisse des TI. Elle compte 30 ans d'expérience en poste de direction stratégique auprès des moyennes et des grandes entreprises telles que Desjardins, Bell, ACO, dans la technologie de l'information, le développement des logiciels, les solutions de paiement, télécommunications, etc. Et je lui laisse la parole maintenant.
Hi, everybody. Thank you to be there. So I'm the chairwoman of the Desjardins Technologie de l'Information. What I see tonight is very exciting, and I think we have the perfect bang for you. Let me introduce to you also Alex. He's with me. He's working with me at Desjardins. And also Martin. So if you have any question about our service, please see us tonight. And I will follow in French. It will be easier for me. J'ai assisté à beaucoup de Startup Weekend dans mes dernières années, puis ce que j'ai vu ce soir est particulièrement excitant en termes de créativité, en termes de délai que vous avez pris pour créer ces choses-là. C'est absolument fantastique. Et je vous félicite aussi pour la façon que vous les présentez. Parce que c'est toujours un défi pour un jeune entrepreneur qui va pitcher dans un start-up, que ce soit juste pour le concours ou que ce soit pitcher à des anges pour lever des fonds d'investissement. Je dirais que parmi vous, ce soir, vous aurez gagné sûrement beaucoup d'anges qui auraient accepté de vous soutenir dans la poursuite de vos applications. Alors, félicitations. Je reviens un petit peu sur la Caisse des Jardins de Technologie de l'Information. Excusez-moi, j'ai de la misère à le dire. En fait, c'est une nouvelle caisse qu'on a créée chez Desjardins en début 2018. C'était très audacieux. Vous voyez, Desjardins est très présent dans tout le domaine des technologies avec le Desjardins Lab, le Coopératon, etc. Mais chose particulière, il n'existait aucune succursale chez Desjardins qui avait une spécialité en technologie. Fait qu'on a décidé de se lancer et de créer une caisse exprès pour les entrepreneurs et les gens qui travaillent en technologie. Donc, on a vraiment des employés, des gens qui travaillent, qui ont les technologies ou le cœur dans les technologies, qui ont ces connaissances-là et qui sont capables de vous offrir des services et des conseils qui sont vraiment adaptés à vos besoins. Que vous soyez un travailleur ou que vous soyez jeune entrepreneur ou travailleur indépendant, c'est vraiment une caisse qui fit en fonction de vos services. Et pour vous le démontrer, en fait, on est très fiers de notre partenariat avec le Wagon. Puis on a décidé d'offrir aux étudiants des prêts à prix très compétitifs. Fait qu'encore une fois, si vous voulez en savoir plus sur l'ensemble des conseils, bien, je vous invite à voir Alex et Martin. Autre élément aussi qu'on aime soutenir à la Caisse, c'est l'employabilité des femmes en technologie. Vous savez, il y a une énorme demande d'emploi en technologie à l'heure actuelle et on manque de personnel compétent. Dans toutes les entreprises, à l'heure actuelle, il manque de personnel compétent. Et les femmes en particulier, aujourd'hui, c'est la journée de la femme, c'est le fun d'en parler, mais les femmes apportent quelque chose de particulier aussi lorsqu'elles travaillent en technologie, de par leur personnalité, la façon de prendre les décisions, la façon d'analyser les détails, la façon d'être structuré. C'est pas une question d'être meilleur ou d'être moins bon qu'un homme. C'est juste que c'est différent. Puis moi, je suis quelqu'un qui mise pour la parité, l'égalité, l'équilibre, autant au niveau des équipes de travail que dans les conseils d'administration. Fait qu'on veut vraiment encourager les femmes en technologie. Puis pour faire ça, bien, pour chaque personne qui va ouvrir un compte à la Caisse, on va offrir 25 $ de dons pour les femmes en technologie. Alors, sur ce, je repasse la parole à Aline. Merci beaucoup de votre écoute.
So it's time for the certificates. Actually, I will invite you again to celebrate this moment.
Est-ce que j'ai le droit de voir ce qui est écrit là-dessus? Ah. OK, so, Katie Taylor. Félicitations, Katie. And the next one is Daniela Hamiot. Congrats. Daniela Peraz. Hey, felicitation. Another woman. Edouard Kappel. Congrats. Émilie Morissette Grégoire. Wow. Frédéric Charret. Gary Frank Udall. Gary, félicitations. Gracie Sundran. Congrats, Gracie. And Jamie Weber. Jamie, congrats. Jérôme Castoum. Félicitations. Maxime Legracel. I'm sorry. Noham Yacinthe. Congrats. Patrice Gédéon. You made a very good presentation. Peter Jan Kals. Félicitations. Rachel Jones Gatineau. Félicitations. Richard Jaram. Belle présentation, bravo. Zachary Youch. Congrats. Félicitations tout le monde encore.
So thank you again. Before we celebrate and have our drinks together, I would like to actually to thank all the teachers and TAs that made this possible. They supported all the students in the learning curve and with passion, so it was incredible. Special thanks to Martin. Martin is our lead teacher, and he did an amazing job together with Stefan, with Alex, Camille, Simon, Victor, Timothée, Antoine, and MG. Also, special thanks to Lagarde, to Amine. To Sophie, to Christian, to LP, and Lagarde is always helping, supporting us. We are really thankful. And now you can use your tickets. We have beer, wine, soft drinks. You can all grab there. And the recruiters, they can recognize the students by the tags, and the students recognize the recruiters by the tags, and you can connect. So thank you, and let's celebrate.
Big up to Aline as well.